What's up, everybody? Coming at you from another quarantified day. We're quarantined, basically, long story short. So we just want to check in with all of you, kind of reach out to all of you, makeup free, because it just doesn't matter anymore, because we have no more standards, because we've been quarantined for so long. We want to show you some footage that we took back when we filmed in Chagrin. It was the first new episode of Sidewalk Stories in a little while, since Cincinnati actually. And it was a great adventure to have, and who knew the timing would be so important. Julian's going to talk to you a little bit more about it, but we want everyone to know, Jordan, I swear to God, get out of the video. We just want everyone to know that even though main streets are closed and gradually reopening, we are still huge fans and supporters of Main Street, and we hope to be an outlet for Main Streets and for everyone to come in and really enjoy what their local communities have to offer, especially the stories and the humor. And so we're excited to show you guys Chagrin in a few weeks, but for now, this little behind the scenes of our experience that we had up there.
What's going on, everybody? So for those that don't know me, my name is Julian Sorrells, and I am the DP and Assistant Director of Sidewalk Stories. And if you haven't seen the episode yet, we recently went to Chagrin Falls, where we learned so many great things about the town and heard their stories. Visiting Chagrin Falls was a really great experience. I mean, the place was beautiful. There was literally falls there. I mean, like, it was super cool. And I mean, you saw that footage, like, just getting that, it was really, I mean, I don't know, it was so cool. And then just everybody treated us so well. Like, the community was just really nice, and we didn't take that for granted at all. So we really thank everybody there that was able to make this happen. And yeah, and hearing the stories that they had to offer was really cool, because you could just see how well they stayed together and like how they still build up the community after all these years. But that's enough of that. I don't want to spoil too much for you, so it'd be best for you to check it out. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link is in the description below. And if you're watching this on Instagram, the link is in my bio. But for those that have seen it, here's some behind the scenes of that episode. And stay tuned for more from Sidewalk Stories. Peace.
To find a reason to get out and to go into town, but here in Chagrin there's so many stores. Grab them as well. So I think we're about ready to go. Yes. I know, so it's always fun emailing you guys, trying to figure out which one am I talking to. Yeah, make sure that you guys are both included. But I love this. So you guys.
Woo! Golly! Yeah, this is how you riding.